Home remedies to turn white hair black without chemical dyes. Having white or gray hair with increasing age is common, and gray-white color of your hair shows aging. But, if you get white, gray hair in early age, it is an issue that makes worried all of you. A primary cause of this discoloration of hair is an excessive use of chemicals on your hair. How to cure hair discoloration? Here, I am going to share with you the simple recipe to make national hair dye at home to turn white hair black nationally fast. To make a national hair dye at home to get rid of your gray or white hair, and to add natural brown color to your hair, the ingredients you need are: Ingredients: plain water, 1 mug. Coffee powder, 3 tbsp. Tea leaves powder, 3 tbsp. Henna powder, 3 tbsp. Milk. Procedure: take a pan, and in it, add 1 mug of plain water. After this, add 3 tbsp of coffee powder. Next, add 3 tbsp of tea leaves powder. After this, boil this mixture of ingredients on a low flame. Continue cooking until half of the water is left. Next, strain this mixture to get coffee and tea leaves extract. After this, take 3 tbsp of henna powder in a bowl. Next, add some milk to it, and mix the ingredients well. After this, mix this henna paste with coffee and tea leaves extract well. Now, the best herbal hair dye to turn white hair black is ready for use. How to use: wash your hair before using this remedy. Apply the dye to your hair, and leave it for 1.5 hours. After this, wash your hair and do not shampoo your hair. Use it twice in a week for the best results. This herbal hair dye to turn white hair black is very effective, and it is 100% safe for your hair. So, if your hair are getting white or gray, do not worry. Follow the remedy, and make and use this herbal hair dye, and have black hair.